What's up everyone? Hope you're doing well today. My name is Qasim, and if you guys remember, a little while back I showed you all how to use the Apple Wallet with older iPhones. That was using those rectangular plates that you can just stick on the back side of your phone, and since the wallet has magnets, it just snaps on. Well, today I want to show you those same plates, but use them to mount your Apple Wallet anywhere. So if you go to my website and get the 2 rectangular plates pack for $5.99, they have 3M adhesive on the backside. So you just peel it off, stick it to any wall in your room, by your bedside, wherever you want. And since the plate is metal itself and the wallet has the magnets inside of it, you'll be able to stick the wallet to any place that you want to. This is really great for those people that are always forgetting their wallet, like myself. What's nice is that if you mount it up by your bedside or by your keys rack where you hang your car keys, then you'll always have the wallet there. So you can snap it on when you get back home, snap it off when you're leaving for the day, and hopefully you won't be forgetting your wallet. I do this myself and I've found it to be really useful, and so I thought that I'd make a video so I could share with you guys that if you're someone who wants to mount up your Apple Leather wallet or any Magsafe wallet, then you'll be able to do so with this little trick. I really hope you guys find this video and trick to be helpful. The links are going to be down below in the description, and once again, it comes in a 2-pack for $5.99. So you can share it with a friend, or you can simply just have 2 different places to mount up your Apple Leather or other Magsafe wallet. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below if you've got any questions, and most importantly, take care of yourselves, and I will see you all in the next video.